Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey is a template for world peace, whether we're ringmasters, trapeze artists, animal trainers, or crew members. And we all come together and we make something magnificent to share with others. Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, the Feld family is proud to present Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey. Welcome to the greatest show on earth!
Ringling is my heart, it's my love, it's my everything.
It's so important, so important, that if you love animals as much as I do, that you have to keep supporting those people that do dedicate their lives to these animals.
It's because of you that performers like us love to do our jobs and wake up every morning with a sense of drive and determination and passion. Thank you so much.
I'm so grateful that so many people invited me onto the floor to have this front row seat for the greatest show on earth.
Ringling Brothers has definitely been my dream come true.
Thank you very much. I would like to give a heartfelt thank you to Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey, the Feld family, and the millions and millions of audience members who have come through these doors and enjoyed the greatest show on earth for 146 years.
Thank you to all the fans, and thank you to Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey Circus for being my home for so many years.
I want you guys to go home with the magic that is Circus, because it really is magic.
We never say goodbye in the circus, my friends. All we say is we'll see you down the road. So, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, thank you. We'll see you down the road.
On behalf of the entire Feld family, thank you all very much, and please enjoy and celebrate the greatest show on earth one last time.